my name is Tzu-Han, and in this hackathon, I built RadVia, an AI-orchestrated radiology triage, clinical synthesis, and dictations. So radiologists spend less than half their time actually reading images. The rest, they are pulling lab results from database, switching pages on different systems, typing reports, managing a queue that has no idea which patient is at emergency. So ACR calls this as a crisis, so I built RadVia to fix that. So while the system is processing, let's see under the hoods. So image will pass through to CXR foundation model to generate 14 pathology labels and combine with each patient's lab results from BigQuery. Those information are sent into medgemma, and medgemma will calculate a priority score and send into the queue. So as you can see in here, they are reordered based on the emergency score to make sure that most emergency cases can see by the doctors. So, okay, so we can use this as example. So let me calculate this. Okay, so in the middle sections, you can see the medgemma suggestions from the last workflow, and it has its assessment based on the scores, probability, and the lab results, findings, and then the rationale and the recommendation. So this feature is provided for doctors that they don't have to look at blank pictures. They have AI to guide them, right? And this is medgemma. Another features provides the bounding box based on the pathologies, right? So here's the reasoning steps: identify spore device and identify pneumothorax, right? Okay, and I built another feature is that you can ask a chatbot which is powered by Gemma 3 and medgemma. So you can ask any medical domains knowledge in here. So you can ask like, why this patient have those findings. So Gemma 3 acts as an orchestrator. It will delegate workflows, call function, tool callings, and then finally consulting to medgemma. So in here, it might take some time to run that. Okay, yeah. So yeah, it get the BigQuery, console medgemma, and then this is the clinical interpretations and the data source and the recommendations. So a chatbot can help doctor to answer whatever like he needs. And finally, we have a speech-to-text voice model here. So we can say something like, okay, key findings of this image: elevated lactate dehydrogenase, elevated white blood cell count, significant anemia, elevated INR. So yeah, the speech-to-text this model, med-ASR, is very good at medical terms. So once you finish, you just submit, and you will clear the queue, pop the queue, and then return to the most emergency ones. So yeah, that is RadVia. So I believe somewhere in that queue is a patient who can't wait. So RadVia, make sure they don't have to. Thank you.